Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI and I have found an amazing lip gloss. It is the Lifter Gloss by Maybelline New York plus hyaluronic acid. So this one is shade number 18, which is a bronze color, and I believe that this color matches any skin tone perfectly as it is a neutral color. And there are so many things that I love about this gloss. One thing being that it leaves my lips looking and feeling hydrated at the same time. So I usually use this gloss one of two ways. Sometimes I use the gloss applying it directly to my lips, but sometimes what I do is that I apply some lip pencil on my lips, lining them, and then I apply the lip gloss on top. And I am always satisfied with the results. Something else that is really amazing about this product is its packaging. I feel like it is very easy to carry around, and it also looks pretty good along with your other makeup essentials. And that is my point of view.